boy and Tim on a near to Raj, Sabi, one Casano, Ayana, she no the young one Casano, one Tiasi, the Petimonica, Messer and Anano, Benufo, Nanta, Mapotoka, na Apuye Amon, with the winners. Nanano, elders of the land, Honorable Minister for Education, Executive Chairman of KGL Group, CEO of KGL Group, fellow traditional rulers, the clergy, the media, distinguished invited guests, parents, teachers, our cherished peoples, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you all by the grace of the Almighty God and the wisdom of our ancestors. We are gathered here today on a momentous occasion, the official commissioning of GLORIA BOATEMA Nifa Basic School. Today is historic, for it marks not only the opening of a school, but the joining of hands between tradition, community, and private enterprise for the future of our children. As Osuodomgya Otutu Ababio V, entrusted by the ancestors and the people with the care of this land and the school, I am humbled and proud to stand here with the Executive Chairman of KGL Group, Mr. Dady, and the CEO of KGL Group to officially commission this institution. Together, we recognize that education is the cornerstone of development, and the investing in our children is the surest path to a prosperous community and a strong nation. Our ancestors remind us that it is the wisdom planted in the child today that becomes the strength of the stool tomorrow. This means that education should not be treated as luxury. It should be seen as a responsibility we owe our children and a duty we owe our land. We are also deeply honored by the presence of the Honorable Minister of Education, whose attendance today underscores the government's unwavering commitment to quality education and human capital development. Your presence, Honorable Haruna Idrisu, inspires us and reminds us that when tradition, government, and private enterprise work together, the future of our children is secured. The name GLORIA BOATEMA Dady Nifa Basic School will forever be associated with learning, discipline, and purpose. Long after this day has passed and generations have succeeded as on the stool, the institution will continue to speak true character, knowledge, and achievement of the children it nurtures. To the management and teachers of this school, I charge you solemnly, teach not only to the mind, but also to the heart. Produce students who are intelligent, disciplined, respectful, and useful to society. Let truth, integrity, and hard work be the foundation upon which this school is built. To parents and guardians, remember that the child does not belong to the school alone. The child belongs to the family, the community, and the future. Work hand in hand with the teachers, guide your children, and instill in them respect for education and authority. To our dear peoples, you are the pride of this land. Sit well, learn well, and grow well. Do not forget where you come from, even as you prepare for where you are going. Education will take you far, but character will keep you there. Nanano and distinguished guests, we invest in education. We strengthen the foundation of our society. A well-educated community is a peaceful community. Knowledgeable people are the prosperous people. May the school flourish. May the wisdom dwell in these walls. and may it raise leaders who will honor this land and serve Ghana with distinction. I thank you, and may God bless our children, our community, and our nation. Thank you.